Oh, it's like music to my ears. The sound of the barbecue being turned on. Us Aussies like barbecues more than anyone in the world, I am convinced. So it all starts with these little guys. And what you can do on them is really endless. I'm gonna show you a vegetarian option. I've got some semi-cooked potatoes and some little pieces of corn that I'm gonna skewer. And then I'm gonna do one with sausage and prawns. In Spain, they have chorizo and prawn all the time. It's a wonderful combination. So I'm gonna make a butter that's a little flavored in that direction. And I promise you, it will be absolutely delicious. Grab yourself these Coles finest beef sausages, just a tiny little drizzle with oil, and then we're gonna semi-cook these. You want it on sort of a medium heat. You don't want it too hot. While that happens, let's make our flavored butter. Softened butter, of course. Toss in that garlic and the paprika. And you can spread this over all sorts of things. Of course, you could use a herb, you could put parsley, you could put lemon zest, but I'm gonna keep it pretty simple. And now we can make our skewers. So let's start with the veggie ones. These have been semi-blanched or steamed. Push your skewer straight on through, and then you take a semi-cooked potato and do the same thing. All right, so once the sausages have been on for about 3 minutes, you can pick them up and stick them over on your cutting board. While we wait for the sausages to cool, let me go ahead and brush a little bit of my butter over my corn and potatoes. You know, I think so often we think about one thing when we think about a barbecue, whether it's that you like steaks or lamb chops or sausages, but the truth is, the Great Australian Barbie is just a cooking medium, and you can cook absolutely anything on it. All right, let's get these on. So all you're gonna do here with your sausages, and I'm using these beautiful new knives, you'll see the center of that sausage still should be just a little bit raw. We're gonna cut them into pieces that are about the same thickness as our prawns. And just go from the tail straight through, all the way through to the bigger side. You won't believe that richness that you get from the sausage, combined with the flavor of the prawn. It works so well. So pick up your skewers, and with the butter side facing down, drop them straight on. So you take that little butter and just go ahead and brush that straight over the top. Now, of course, the metal skewers do get hot, which is why I love using these. My heat-proof gloves, because you can literally just come on in, pick those skewers up and flip them on over. That is looking pretty sensational. Let's get these beautiful veggie skewers off. The beautiful thing about these little skewers is they cook so quickly. So whether you're having them as an appetizer, or if it's the main course, you could serve it over rice or with a salad. Oh yeah, they're done. Look at that. So simple, so easy to do. A little squeeze of lemon straight over the top. Of course, you can just pop them off and eat them however you like. It's so good. It really is delicious. And you've got these perfect little bite-sized pieces of corn. Well, the gloves are off. I want to know what your favorite skewer is. I'll tell you what mine is. The sausage and prawn. Delicious. Surf and turf, baby.